terrorist ने हमला किया. The attack was very effectively repulsed in the first go itself, and one of the terrorists was killed at that very moment. Taking advantage of darkness at that time, two of the terrorists managed to sneak in the camp, which was housing administrative block of BSF and SO's men. Immediately the casualties of BSF started the reaction and operation to eliminate the militants, the terrorists. And after some time, these casualties were joined by CRPF and police police Badgam, and of course 53 others laid the outer guard. A search was started for the remaining two terrorists who had sneaked in, and both of them were eliminated after brief gunfights. One of them was hiding in the administrative block and the other one was hiding in the SO. I take this opportunity and I must tell you that all compliments for BSF troops who initially repulsed this attack very effectively, and that is why the intentions of the terrorists to cause a major damage to the BSF was found. Unfortunately, we lost one ASI of BSF and 3 others sustained injuries, and all the 3 are stable.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Srinagar, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.